How to add travel insurance trip.com. You can add a travel insurance trip.com or trip.com booking either when booking online or by logging into your account, or to add it later. So what here you need to do is basically to add a travel insurance on trip.com. You actually want to go ahead and open your application first thing first. Then you just want to open up, or you just want to go ahead and select your flight or hotel. So select either one of these services, and you can choose your desired flight or accommodation on the trip.com. Look for the insurance. As you proceed to the payment page, you could just go and look for the option to add a travel insurance. So basically it's going to prompt you in the field where you could go ahead and add in the information, or you could go ahead and add in your insurance, and you could choose your plan, all that stuff. Go and see that all in details, review and purchase, and that's how you'll be able to add travel insurance trip.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.